Auzubillahi Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is our first lecture that to introduce the programming language about the Python. Python. What is Python? The main question. Python is a general purpose interpreted object-oriented language. What is the meaning of general purpose? General purpose means it is used for general tasks, small software, small programs we can write easily in that programming language. Interpreted means step by step written, step by step program is executed in that programming language. Object oriented means object mean objects used in a Python programming language, and main classes are used to display manage the object in that programming language. And now the question is who created the Python programming language? Python created by Guido van Rossum in the Netherlands in 1990. Van Rossum developed Python as a hobby. Python is never to be developed by focusing. It is just a person whose name was Van Rossum. He is just playing like a game. He created the Python programming language. But he is not interested in that. Not by full focusing that he has to create the Python programming language. He just developed this programming language as a fun. Python is general purpose. I have already told you that it is used for small programming tasks. Python is now used in Google search engines. After that, you have to become able. You have to think that how it is important, how its importance in the world. That programming language, how much is important. That it is now used in Google search engines. Python is interpreted, mean code is executed line by line, one statement at a time, as described earlier in this chapter. Object-oriented programming is a powerful tool for developing reusable softwares. Okay, now two variants of Python are currently coexisting. Nowadays, two variants of programming language are existing: Python 2 and Python 3. The program written in Python 2 will not be run in the Python 3 and the program written in Python 3 variant cannot be executed by Python 2 because both have different attributes, different syntax, so it is impossible to execute the Python 2 code in Python 3 or Python 3 code in Python 2. Both have different syntax. The Python program is executed from Python interpreter. He has his own interpreter. On that interpreter, this code is converted into the machine programming language. He has his own interpreter. Now I have to introduce a general simple code to display that the Python is fun. Now we have to code the Python programming language in the Thony software. Thony is you can say that is software or code in which we have to code. Python is for us. Python is an interpreter. We can say that. Now I have to open the Thony software on which we have to code the Python program. Simple. If we want to such a kind of you can be seen on the screen. This is the body where we can write a program, a code, and in a shell you can see there a shell is written. Here the output of the program is to be we have to see, and these are other tools and functions I can introduce you further time after time. Now I simply this is the name of the software. You can save the file firstly by from here save Now I have to introduce you there the code, and the output of the code is to be executed there. Like I have to write the syntax print, and you can see the sign there. As you clicking there, then the output of the code is to be seen there. Like okay, now the other thing I have to introduce in the next lecture. So Allah Hafiz.